How's it going, everybody? This is Coach Wade, and right now we're on the website of IdentityIQ, and I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to this resource. When it comes to IdentityIQ, you can get protected with Secure Preferred. The features are going to include Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion credit reports and scores, and it's going to be refreshed every single 30 days. You also have access to Scorecaster IQ, 3-bureau daily monitoring and alerts, dark web monitoring, and $1 million of identity theft insurance. You can actually try for 7 days for $1, and then it's $29.86 per month thereafter. But be sure to check it out, because when it comes to identity theft, every 2 seconds, somebody's identity is being stolen. So it's not a matter of if it's going to happen to you, it's when it's going to happen to you. So you want to be able to make sure you have identity theft insurance. It's going to be up to $1 million of identity theft insurance. And basically it'll give you that peace of mind to get you back as you get back to your pre-theft status. Because we all know if you ever dealt with identity theft, you know how expensive it can be. You also have access to identity monitoring, dark web monitoring. Make sure your information is not being sold on a dark web. There's also enhanced credit monitoring, Scorecaster IQ, where you can forecast your score based upon different scenarios, as well as credit reports and scores, which a lot of people end up signing up for as well, in addition to identity theft insurance. But again, this is IdentityIQ. Be sure to try for 7 days for $1, and then again, it's $29.86 per month. And to meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.